All right, it's January 7th, Thursday morning, and I just got out of my Chevron trade here, ticker CVX. And as you can see, it was an all right trade. Should have gone a little better, but I'll explain kind of the problem about this trade. So you can see here, I was trading this off of these gap days. I liked how it traded off of this green day yesterday, so I thought playing it yesterday at the close would be a good trade. And as you can see here on the minute chart, it was kind of a tough trade because there isn't that much volume in the pre-market, and I didn't really want to hold all the way till the open. So I got out pretty much, I would call it an average of around 90.25, maybe a little bit higher than 90.25, but we'll just call it 90.25. So yeah, about half a percent. So not much profit, but you can see how high it was, and I was trying to cover up there. And if you look at my sales this morning, you can see I first tried getting out at 50, then 49, then 36. And the problem was the liquidity was so small with the stock trade. I'm sorry, not the my net liquidity was large, but the volume I had was too large for the pre-market volume. And I was just not able to get the price. Every time I lowered my sell, the price came down. So I had to find that spot where people were willing to sell, and you can see I only got about $1,100 when I was up over 2,000 on this trade. So it is what it is. That's what you got to watch out for when you trade with my strategy. Looking out for that liquidity problem. If there's not enough liquidity or not enough volume for you to get out in the pre-market, which I like to always do. So I mean, overall, it looked like a good setup, but you can see that when it does fail off of these green days, it's only down about half a percent, maybe a quarter of a percent or three-quarters of a percent. So risk to reward did seem pretty good on this trade. Just the volume wasn't there for me, but I'm still happy. And I mean, if you look at yesterday's watch list, there was really much to trade. I mean, the sectors that I liked were really industrials, healthcare, financial, and I mean, I thought the best trade to do was Chevron, and there were a few better options this morning, but I'm overall happy. And you can see my watch list is pretty easy to trade here. All these stocks are very low risk stocks. All these stocks are, blue chip stocks, high volume stocks that you should be able to get in and out whenever you need. So if you like these trades and you want to learn more, just subscribe below and I'll keep posting.